Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Today, we're exploring something special. It's about how you feel while learning. The topic is how to love English practice even on tough days. Because yes, learning can be joyful. Even when it's hard. I'll go slowly. I'll repeat key ideas. And I'll guide you with care. Ready? Let's begin. Practicing English can feel exciting. You learn new words. You hear new sounds. You feel progress. But let's be honest. Some days are tough. You might feel tired. Maybe frustrated. Maybe stuck. And that's okay. You're human. The good news? You can still love your practice even on the hard days. Let me show you how. Let's start with music. Music has a gentle way of lifting your mood. If English feels heavy today, try listening to a song you like. Maybe something soft and slow. Let the words wash over you. Sing along if you want. Or just hum. You might hear the word happy, and without even thinking, you smile. That's English too. Music can turn a hard day into a gentle one. Now let's talk about stories. Stories can take you somewhere new, even when your mind feels stuck. Try a short tale. Maybe a children's book or a soft audiobook. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen. Imagine the scenes. You hear the cat runs, and you picture it. You feel something. That's real learning. That's joy. Games are another way to brighten your practice. Try a word-matching app. Or play a memory game with English pictures. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. You laugh when you get it right. You feel light. That moment of fun? It's still practice. Just with play inside. And then, there are videos. A short clip. A funny moment. A kind voice. Watch something simple. Like a vlog or a little comedy scene. You hear someone say, "That's funny," and suddenly, you're laughing too. That's English in real life. That's connection. Now let's slow down for a moment. And talk about breaks. Sometimes, the kindest thing you can do is pause. Step away for a minute. Stretch. Drink water. Take a breath. Let your eyes rest. Let your brain breathe. Even a 2-minute break can change how you feel. It doesn't mean you're quitting. It means you're caring for yourself. Speaking of care, practice feels warmer when you share it with someone. A friend. A teacher. A gentle voice like this one. Maybe today, you call someone and say one sentence, "I like this." They smile. You smile. That tiny moment of connection can turn your whole day around. Rewards help too. After a short practice, give yourself something small. A cup of tea. A favorite snack. A quiet walk. Say to yourself, "I did it." That feeling of celebration turns study into self-love. It helps you keep going. Sometimes, all you need is variety. Don't do the same thing every day. If reading feels hard today, switch to listening. If writing feels heavy, try drawing. If learning grammar feels boring, just watch a story. Let your learning breathe. Let it feel alive. Creativity can also make practice more joyful. Try writing your own little sentence, I see a bird. Then draw a bird next to it. Color it in. Look at it. Smile at it. You made something with English. It feels playful. Free. And that freedom brings you closer to the language. When things feel hard, remember your progress. Look back. What could you say last month? Last week? Even yesterday? Maybe today you can say yes more clearly. That's a win. That's growth. Every small step adds up. It's also okay to have feelings. Some days, you might feel low. You might forget words you knew. You might feel like you're going backward. You're not. You're just human. Take a deep breath and say, it's okay. Your feelings are allowed. They're part of the journey. On the really tough days, set smaller goals. You don't need to study for an hour. You don't need 10 new words. Try just one. Maybe the word sun. Say it. Draw it. Hear it in a song. One word is enough. One word is still forward. And if that feels like too much, then rest. Not just a break, real rest. Close your eyes. Lie down. Sit in silence. Let your body slow down. Let your brain catch up. Rest is not the opposite of learning. It's part of it. If you need support, ask for it. Tell someone, I need help. Maybe a friend will explain something. Maybe a video like this one will remind you you're not alone. Support is not weakness. It's strength. And don't forget to notice joy. What do you like about English? Maybe it's a kind voice. Maybe it's a silly video. Maybe it's the feeling when you understand just one line in a movie. That spark of joy. Follow it. Let it guide you. Finally, be patient with yourself. You don't need to rush. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak like a native. You just need to keep going. Slowly, gently, kindly. One word at a time. One day at a time. Let's bring it all together. Loving English practice isn't about doing more. It's about doing what feels good. Even when it's hard. Music. Stories. Games. Videos. Breaks. Connection. Rewards. Creativity. Progress. Rest. Support. Joy. Patience. These are your soft tools. Use one. Use a few. Come back to them when you need to. Imagine this. It's a rough day. You're tired. You don't feel like studying. But then, you play a song. You hear the word happy. You draw a little sun next to it. You smile. That's enough. That's English. That's love. You're doing beautifully. And I'm proud of you. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.